Hey Party Planners, it's your girl Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen. And today we're diving into how to choose the perfect fabric for your themed backdrops. From weddings to birthdays, we've got the inside scoop. So grab a seat, let's chat, and let's make your event backdrops stand out. Roll the intro. When selecting fabric for your themed backdrop, it's important to consider the overall style and mood that you want to achieve. For romantic and elegant atmosphere, fabrics like satin or lace can add a touch of sophistication. If you're aiming for a more playful or fun vibe, I want you to consider using polka dots or vibrant colored fabrics, right? These colors can instantly make your backdrop stand out and add a playful element to your event. Another factor to consider is the color scheme. Are you going for a monochromatic look, or do you want to incorporate various colors? For a cohesive and elegant backdrop, don't exceed 3 colors. On the other hand, if you want to create a vibrant and eye-catching display, mixing different colors can be a great option. The next thing to think about is the texture of the fabric. Smooth and shiny fabrics like silk can create a luxurious and glamorous feel, while textured fabrics like burlap or linen can add a rustic or natural touch. Think about the theme of your event and select a fabric that complements it. Hey guys, any of these tips helping you so far? Then be sure to like this video to help me reach 1,000 likes. Not to mention it's absolutely free to do, and it only takes 1 second. I know your girl is worth 1 second, right? Now let's get back to the video. Lastly, don't forget to take into consideration practical aspects such as durability and ease of maintenance. Fabrics that are wrinkle resistant can actually be easily cleaned and will save you a lot of time and effort. Remember, the fabric you choose will set the tone for your entire event. So I want you to take your time and carefully consider all these factors before making your decision. Your theme backdrop will be a centerpiece of your event, and with the right fabric, it will truly shine. All right guys, now you've got the 411 on fabric for your backdrops. If you're ready to turn those ideas into reality, then head on over to our store to snag the perfect fabric combo and let's make your events unforgettable. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Now, if you found any of these tips to be helpful, then be sure to show your girl some love by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. As always, stay fabulous, stay inspired, and keep draping like a pro. I'll see you guys in the next one.
That was excellent.
I'm trying to tell you. All right, guys, now there's something about that now. How you say that?
All right, guys.
I was gonna say, you better not say nothing.